Do I believe in New Year resolutions? I don't think so. But I can use it as something that helps me integrate new habits in my life, and so in this video I want to talk about them. I've been using the Notion app for 4 days in a row. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of them. This productivity app, to-do task app, and etc. Because I had experience with them and always give up on them because of my consistent commitment to them and other probably excuses. So, and to be honest, let's consider about that. When I'm dealing with Notion app, I was thinking without to-do task or another how to say, make your day better or your week better, planning, etc. stuff. I always had, for example, in to-dos for a day what I need to do. Always had in my head. So, but planning before the day, did I do that? Probably yes. For example, I have a lecture for the next one. I have to do the wake up early, make friends with, but not for the whole day. So making it precise can help me, obviously. But let's consider another part. When, for example, I'm dealing right now with one project I have to submit the next month. It's the final project for my, let's say, CAD subject. So yeah, and I'm just right now designing a machine, let's say, and I have to design a part of machine, and to design the part of machine is a little bit complicated. So there's a sketch for it, with all its measurements and etc. To design this part, you have to design this part, if it makes sense to you. And after that, you have to make it make other holes, because it has another part you can connect to them, etc., something like that. And eventually this small part breaks down to another small part, and then also you have done this part and you have to move on to another part. Yeah, and as you see, it's like breaking down into a small part. It's eventually what to-do list or to-do task. And I thought, I can definitely use it. Why not? So that's why I'm giving a shot to it too. By the way, I made a video about Notion app. You can definitely check it out. I will leave the link, something there. One of the biggest habits in 2021 was gym. I've been going to gym since the middle of June. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of it. But with ending 2020, I understood that I just want to look better and especially take care of my appearance. And when I just want to look at my mirror and seeing myself, and my reaction has to be like, oh my god, that's me? That person is me? Really? Oh, I can't believe it! Oh! Something like that. And be shocked how I look like. I didn't get the results yet, but obviously I believe I can do that. But one of the things I didn't take care seriously, it was my diet. I just ate whatever I want, whenever I want, drank whatever I want, whenever I want. Problem was that I have the sugar stuff, like sodas, etc. And I want to try to go more often in New Year to gym, not every month, but especially when I have more free time. I just really want to go there and train more, a couple times, maybe not, we will see. And about my diet, I try to reduce, like, ultimately sugar stuff. For example, no cookies, no soda, nothing, definitely just the minimum. Maybe it's possibly something I can get, but at home, nah. And most of the time I try to cook for myself, and I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, what I do. Maybe sometimes I, overuse the pasta So maybe I have to look at that. Maybe I have to use more rice. We will look, yes. But definitely the diet has to be one of the important habit I have to improve it. Of course, YouTube. More content for YouTube, for other platforms to boost my career in the content creator economy, how people say. Yes, and one of the goals for YouTube is to go beyond 1K subscribers and try to able to monetize videos, to produce more videos, relevant videos for more people, and yes. Succeeded the YouTube channel because if it, let's say if I succeed faster, it's better for me because I can able to do some programs that I want to eventually do that because of some parts I need right now I don't have, and yeah, invite more people in my YouTube videos. It will be really cool. And I hope I will find a place, bigger place, empty place. I will design myself that it doesn't have to be so expensive, but yes, I would like to invite more people over. And technically I don't need a place to live. I can live over there with a mattress on the floor, etc. It will be completely for me. Just get it, how to call it, table, that's all, because I need to study also. Yes, and that's for me important. And to do more videos. And just it's 1K subscribers. It's one goal. Another goal is, do some programs in other people in my YouTube channel or in other channels. Yeah, it will be really cool for me to meet new people in my world, in this YouTube world, and to be able to, to improve yourself by learning by somebody's past, or by helping others, what I did, what I know, and do better in YouTube videos, because some videos eventually not most of them do you like. I understand it, but yeah, I hope that more videos you will understand the depths of video I do, and it will be interesting to watch. I have some couple videos that are really interesting to watch, probably for all of them. For all of you guys, because it's like common things. But we will see. For example, okay, I don't have to talk about it, but one of the things that the previous video, it was called Christmas time, etc. I thought it's blow up, but it didn't. And I was like, okay. Because I just went outside, talked to people outside. Probably I will do it more. And yeah, right now it's cold, but I hope it will do it more. I want to shout out to all people who have supported me until now and still support me, and wish all the best in my YouTube creation, on all what I do online. I'm really honored to hear that, because it's really important for me as well when when I'm small enough, but yeah, it's kind of giving me a drive to improve, to move forward. And yeah, that's really, I'm happy to get all the feedbacks and all your support. Thank you.